Hey, it's Scott Young here. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about which website builder is the best for affiliate marketing. Now, there are dozens and dozens of website builders out there on the market. In fact, a lot of the website hosting companies where you buy your domain and have them host your website, a lot of those, like Bluehost and HostGator and such, they actually have their own website building softwares included when you have your website hosted with them. And a lot of times those are free or they're included with your hosting fees. That's great. However, there are a few key elements missing from those, which is the reason I actually don't recommend using any of those free website builders that are included in hosting. And those key elements that I'm referring to are all under the heading of SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process by which you optimize your website so that it will be found by Google, Bing, and the other search engines and rank your website higher in the search results. And by having good SEO and good SEO tools in your website builder, this will enable your website to rank higher in the search results. And that means more traffic to your website. And that means more people clicking your affiliate links. Now, website builders have not necessarily been known as the best solution for SEO, which is really critical for affiliate marketers. And many of the website builders out there do have SEO built into them to one degree or another. Some are better with SEO and some are terrible with in terms of building SEO into their product. Now, what I feel is the absolute best solution, the best website builder for affiliate marketers is Squarespace, because Squarespace has done a really good job building SEO into their platform in all the fundamental ways that you need it to be there. So we're going to dive into what Squarespace does a little bit. I'm going to let you know why I think it is the best website builder out there for affiliate marketers. Now, of course, everybody wants a website builder that is easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to set up the website, right? But like I said, if you pick a website builder that is mainly focused on, building out the website, but they don't have good SEO capabilities, then you might have wasted all that time building the website because you're just not going to get the SEO results that you want to bring your site up in the search results. Some website builders don't even let you customize your own URL or customize the meta tags or the alt tags. But Squarespace has SEO built in site-wide and marketing features that allow Google to find you and raise your site up in the search results so that you get increased traffic and you build a larger audience. Squarespace also has automatic XML sitemaps, indexed URLs, and you can manually control your page's meta title and description. And then lastly, they have this cool SEO checklist to make sure that you've got all your bases covered. You've got all the SEO elements in your page and your blog post that you need to get ranked higher on Google. You can also push your content out to social media sites, and they have mobile responsive web pages that will automatically adjust your website to any screen size. It's also super easy to make site-wide changes with Squarespace on your website because you could change a specific feature or look of your website that's used on multiple pages, and it's going to automatically update across your whole site. They also include automatic image formatting. So when you upload an image, it automatically creates 7 different images in 7 different sizes so that it will look good on any device. Of course, they have a ton of professional looking templates that you can choose from. I believe there are about 110 really nice template designs that you could choose from for your website. Now, getting back to the most important aspect of Squarespace, which is the SEO or search engine optimization, you can access those marketing features under a special marketing menu within the website builder's interface. From there, you can run email campaigns, you can manage your SEO settings, and you can create promotion pop-ups directly in Squarespace for your website. Lastly, they have some really great traffic analysis tools to help you figure out if what you're doing to optimize your affiliate website is actually working. So in that same editor of your website, you can go to a special tab that has the traffic analyzer, you could see where your traffic's coming from. You could see what the conversion rates are and all sorts of analytics to help you really focus in and hone in on where your website is doing well and where it's not doing well. Now, the pricing on Squarespace starts at $12 a month, and they have plans that go up to $40 a month. In my opinion, you could definitely start out on the $12 a month plan, and you'd totally be able to build out your website with all the great SEO tools that they have included. The higher plans are for people that want to do more advanced things, and their websites are getting a ton more traffic, and there's some more features there that you could check out. But for $12 a month, this is a great tool to use for affiliate marketing. And in my opinion, it really is the best website builder for affiliate marketers. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll check out Squarespace and start building your own affiliate marketing website now. And if you want to find out my #1 recommendation for making money online right now as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to put a link right below this video in the description. And that's going to take you to my website where you can put in your best email address. And I'm going to send you a free 4-part video training series that's going to show you how to set up an affiliate marketing business step by step from A to Z. So I hope you'll check it out, and I'll see you on that page next. Thanks.